Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 7th, 2025, which was just 2 days ago. The headline finding is a backward reasoning method that reconstructs step-by-step thought traces from good outputs, enabling an 8 billion parameter model to match or beat models like GPT-4o and Claude 3.5. The paper is titled Reverse Engineered Reasoning for Open-Ended Generation. And as we will see later, the implications for model training are quite significant. It introduces a gradient-free search to recover reasoning, releases the DeepWriting 20K dataset, and trains DeepWriter 8B to strong creative performance. Alright, Figure 1 contrasts two mindsets for teaching models to reason in creative tasks. The left side illustrates forward methods like reinforcement learning and distillation, which stumble because open-ended writing lacks clear rewards. The center highlights deep reasoning as the goal, that is a deliberate, multi-step thought process that sustains long-range coherence. The right panel introduces reverse-engineered reasoning, which recovers plausible thought traces from high-quality question-answer pairs. Annotations trigger text. Figure 1 contrasts two, bounding box, 0.02, 0.03, 0.98, 0.78. So Figure 2 illustrates how the method turns open-ended writing into a planned, step-by-step process that guides the final story. The example shows a think token trace that sketches intent, plots structure, explores alternatives, and self-corrects, which signals deliberate reasoning rather than word salad. Those reflection cues, like, or wait, mark branching and backtracking, because the model tests and revises ideas. This demonstrates the target behavior the search procedure aims to recover. Alright? Figure 3 shows how the reverse-engineered reasoning actually operates as an iterative local search that improves a thought plan until the final answer becomes easy for the model to predict. Perplexity means the model's surprise, so lower perplexity on the reference answer signals a better trajectory. The left panel initializes a full but imperfect plan, the middle panel refines one segment with several candidates, and the bottom panel selects the lowest perplexity option. The right panel stops once perplexity crosses a target threshold. So Table 1 reports that the 8 billion parameter DeepWriter matches or beats much larger proprietary models on several writing benchmarks, which signals that reverse-engineered reasoning skills. A benchmark is a standardized test suite used to compare models under the same conditions. The table lists Longbench, HelloBench A and B, and 6 writing bench domains, and DeepWriter posts the top Longbench score while staying competitive on creative HelloBench B. These gains matter because they arrive without reinforcement learning or costly distillation. Okay, 2 takeaways stand out. Reverse-engineered reasoning recovers plausible thought traces from good writing, and those trajectories, not reinforcement learning or costly distillation, drive strong gains for long-form, creative tasks. The broader implication is access. Smaller models can deliver premium coherence and planning when trained on synthesized reasoning data. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.